Every year you wait has a price. $500 a month, not a large amount, not a small amount. The amount most people spend without thinking about it. Subscriptions, dinners out, upgraded phone. $500 disappears every month for most people in their 20s. Without a trace, without a return. What if it didn't? What if $500 a month went somewhere instead of nowhere? Not a savings account, not a high-yield account. The S&P 500, 10% average annual return. Automatic transfer Sunday afternoon, 11 minutes to set up, then nothing, just time. Today, 6 ages. 6 specific moments where $500 a month becomes something most people never achieve even with a higher salary. The math does not care about your excuses. It only cares about the start date. Let's talk about yours. Age 22. The start portfolio, $0 to $6,000. You are 22 years old. First real job, first real salary, first real decision that nobody talks about at graduation. $500 a month feels significant when you are 22. It is rent money in some cities. It is groceries and transport and 2 dinners out. You set up the transfer anyway. Automatic. Index fund. Done. Your colleagues are buying things, nice things, visible things, things that photograph well. You are buying time. It does not photograph well. It compounds instead. Year 1. $6,300 in the portfolio. Not exciting, not impressive, just there. The best financial decisions never feel significant when you make them. Age 25, 3 years in portfolio, $20,000. You are 25 years old, $20,000 in the portfolio. You did not feel yourself become a person with $20,000 invested. It happened in the background, while you were living, while you were working, while everyone else was financing cars and upgrading apartments and paying for the feeling of having arrived. Your colleague Marcus just bought a new car, $580 a month, 5-year loan, he looks happy. You look ordinary. One of you is building something. One of you is servicing something. From the outside, it is impossible to tell which is which. Give it 10 years. Age 30. The gap begins portfolio, $38,000. You are 30 years old, $38,000, still not impressive at dinner parties. Nobody asks about your index fund the way they ask about your apartment or your car or your job title. Wealth that is working does not announce itself. But here is what happened in the last 8 years that nobody saw. You contributed $48,000. The market added $14,000 on top. You did nothing for that $14,000. It arrived because time passed. This is the mechanism most people never experience because they never start. Marcus refinanced the car, new model, new loan, same monthly payment. Different car, same zero in the investment account. Your portfolio, $38,000. His portfolio, $0. One number is visible in the driveway. One number is real in 20 years. Age 35. The point of no return portfolio, $114,000. You are 35 years old, $114,000. Something changed and you almost missed it. The portfolio is now growing faster than you are contributing. Last year you added $6,000. The market added $10,400. The market is now contributing more than you are. This is the point of no return. Not because you cannot stop, you can. Because the mathematics has shifted. Time is doing more work than money now. A person who starts at 35 with $500 a month will have $228,000 at 55. You already have $114,000 at 35. At 55, you will have $972,000. Same monthly contribution. 13 years of difference. $744,000 of difference. The start date is the most expensive decision in personal finance. Most people learn this at 40. Age 40. The difference is visible portfolio, $228,000. You are 40 years old. $228,000. You open the app on a Wednesday morning, coffee still brewing. You look at the number. You think about the Sunday afternoon when you set up the transfer, 18 years ago. 11 minutes, $500 a month. You made a $228,000 decision that felt like an $11 decision. And $228,000 at 40 is not where this ends. Stop contributing entirely. Let it compound at 10% annually. 15 more years, just time. $228,000 becomes $953,000 at 55 without adding another dollar. Marcus is still paying car loans. You are watching money make money while you sleep. One is visible in the parking lot, one is real at retirement. Age 50, the final picture portfolio, $592,000. You are 50 years old. $592,000. He's still contributing. $500 a month, every month for 28 years. Total contributed $168,000. Current portfolio $592,000. The market added $424,000 that you never worked for. Never earned, never stressed about. It arrived because time passed and you did not stop the transfer. Here is the number nobody shows you. If you stop contributing now and let $592,000 compound at 10% for 10 more years. At 60, $1,534,000 from $500 a month, starting at 22 with no inheritance, no windfall, no lucky investment. Just time, and a decision most people put off until tomorrow. Tomorrow has a cost. It compounds too. In the wrong direction. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. The math is not complicated. $500 a month, S&P 500 index fund, automatic transfer, do not touch it. That is the entire strategy. What makes it hard is not the money. It is the invisibility. For the first 5 years, nothing feels like it is happening. Your friends are buying things. You are buying time. Time does not feel like anything until it does. And when it does, it feels like $228,000 on a Wednesday morning while the coffee is still brewing. 2 things to do today. First, calculate your number. What is $500 a month actually available in your budget? Maybe it is $200, maybe $300. The amount matters less than the start date. Second, set up the transfer today, not this week, not when you feel ready. Today, 11 minutes, index fund, automatic, done. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. One question before you go. What is your start date? Not the date you plan to start, the date you actually will. Write it in the comments. Today's date counts. Every week we take one financial decision most people delay without realizing the cost, and show exactly what the delay is worth. If that is useful, subscribe. The next one is already coming. See you in the next one.